Frog reproduction shapes wetlands, food webs, and biodiversity. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore how frogs mate, their reproductive anatomy, the stages from egg to adult, and why it matters for conservation. Male frogs produce sperm in internal testes and release it from the cloaca. Female frogs have ovaries that release eggs into oviducts. Both sexes have adaptations for external release of gametes in most species. Courtship often begins with vocal calls. Males use species-specific calls to attract mates and defend territory. Visual displays, bright colors, and movements also help females choose partners. Amplexus is the mating grasp where the male clasps the female's back to align bodies for fertilization. There are variations, for example, axillary, behind the forelimbs, and inguinal, around the waist, timed to the female's egg release. Most frogs use external fertilization. The female releases eggs into water or moist sites, and the male simultaneously releases sperm to fertilize them. A few rare frog species have evolved internal fertilization, but the vast majority fertilize externally. Frogs lay eggs in many forms: foam nests built above or on water, strings wrapped on plants, and clustered masses that float. Placement depends on species: in water, on vegetation, or in protected terrestrial sites. After fertilization, eggs hatch into tadpoles, which feed, grow, and gradually develop legs and lungs. Metamorphosis timing varies by species and environment, from weeks to months, until a juvenile frog emerges. Breeding depends on season, temperature, rainfall, and habitat quality. Threats like habitat loss, pollution, invasive species, and disease, for example the chytrid fungus, can disrupt breeding and reduce populations. Frog reproduction relies on specialized anatomy, courtship, amplexus, and mostly external fertilization. Egg and larval stages are vulnerable, making healthy habitats essential. Protecting wetlands helps frogs, and the ecosystems that depend on them thrive.